Hi, I'm Dixie Rieger. I'm the Executive Director at WaterWorks Art Museum, located in a historical building that was used for holding Miles City's drinking water and restored to a museum in 1977. We are well known for our outreach education program where we travel about 30,000 square miles every school year to the little one-room homeschool and different community events to bring art to the community and to those little schools. We hold 7 exhibits a year, and we're very proud that we are on our 50th art auction celebration this year. If you are in the vicinity, you're driving past on the freeway, take that exit, come into WaterWorks. The signs will bring you here, and we want you to visit. It's 85 Water Plant Road, and any information that you would need, our phone number is 406-234-0635. We want to see you come out here. Enjoy everything that surrounds you once you walk in this historical building.